If you hear like a sound, it's the vent. But anyway. Alright, so this is not the best angle. I have no idea where to put you guys. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be an exciting video because we are going to be cooking today. I finally caved and I joined TikTok, and I have been seeing a bunch of recipes on there. I've also been seeing this trend on YouTube where people are testing viral TikTok recipes, and so I wanted to do my own spin on it, and so I found Korean TikTok recipes. I really like Japanese dramas, Chinese dramas, Korean dramas, all the Asian dramas, and so I really wanted to try a few international recipes, and I happened to find Korean recipes, and I was like, okay. I decided just to make 3 of them because I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I am not a chef, but I'm gonna try this right now. And so yeah, if you guys like videos like this, please subscribe down below, please hit my bell button so you'll never miss when I post a new video. And with that, let's get started. Tteokbokki, I think that's how it's pronounced. If you don't know what that is, it is a traditional, I want to say Asian, I don't want to say Korean alone, but I think it's more of a Korean thing. It's like a street food. It's a rice cake that is covered in a lot of spice, like a hot stuff. I actually don't even have chili paste. I don't have the red pepper and flakes and all of that jazz, so the only thing I have is paprika and cayenne pepper. And so we're gonna try and do a little twist on it. We're gonna try to make it as Korean as possible. So you know what, let's watch the TikTok and then we'll start making it. So 2 cups of rice flour, 3/4 cups of hot water, and sesame oil. I don't even have sesame oil. Okay, so that looks promising.
She is lying.
I was actually watching a video of this on YouTube before I even found it on TikTok, and their rice flour was actually in the freezer. This one was found on my shelf at the supermarket, so I can already see that this is going downhill. Okay, so they said 2 cups of rice flour, but I am not going to take that risk and make that many, so I'm going to just cut down my portions, my sizings, and so I'm just going to do 1 cup. Oh, okay, what is half of 3/4? That not making sense, no? Ow. Hey, what? Messed up. I just saw a pot spoon. Look. Okay. I need to see. This looks like the consistency that went into the microwave. Ew! That was my cat. I'm just gonna put sunflower oil because I don't have any sesame oil. Eee, I don't think that was right. Steam for 3 minutes. Got you. So we have that in the microwave for 3 minutes. I have a feeling that this is gonna go terribly wrong.
It did.
Ah! Okay, it's hot. This right here is extremely hard. I don't think it was supposed to be like this. I don't think. I don't know what happened. Oh, hurt it. Nope. This time around, we're gonna follow the exact recipe and we'll just try and do something with the extras.
A few moments later.
I don't understand. Oh, this is hot. How do you need this and it's hot? Okay. This is a whole mess. These people lied to me. This is so hard. This is the hardest thing I've ever done in my life, and it does not look anything like this TikTok. So we're gonna move on to the next recipe, which is ramen. I think it is. It's basically noodles, but they kind of spice it up a bit, and if I only get this wrong, I deserve a slap because it's a joke. Let's look at the video.
I know somebody's already done a video on this. We need to fix how y'all are making this. Here's your ramen of choice. Water. Bring to a simmer. Drop in your noodles. Simmer until it's soft.
Empty flavor packet.
Green onion. Sort of like kern. Nori. Into strips. Leftover meat. Soft-boiled egg.
Small pot with water.
Bring to a boil. Drop in your eggs. 7 minutes. Let these brothers cool. Peel your eggs. Whew. Hot oil, meat, make it crispy. 1 tablespoon of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a splash of Shaoxing wine. Reduce and glazed. That bitch, do that bitch, do that bitch. Mix the noodle, some corn, green onion, some of that meat. Soft boy 1 and soft boy 2. This is the finishing touch. Now this right here. Oh yeah. That's how you do instant ramen.
Okay, so he said we need noodles, green onions. This actually look kind of sad though. I'm not gonna lie. An egg. We also need corn. I don't got no corn. Okay, so we're going to be missing 2 very important ingredients. We don't have any corn and we don't have any seaweed. We only have the egg, the green onion, the noodle. I don't even have leftover meat. And if I only go into the deep freeze, it's going to be rock solid. Would it be bad if I put beans in there? We're going to put this hot dog sausage as my meat. Boom. He said to make this boil and then we add this. Oh my goodness, no! You're already off to a good start, folks. The water is boiling, yay! Place that in there. Take out whatever's left. Let's put a little more water. I actually don't ever use this pocket. Well, not anymore. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna use it. While we wait for those things to boil, we're gonna cut up our green onion. Boom. We're gonna be using this because I have no other meat. Just to boil this until it's soft. It said boil this for 7 minutes and I actually have no idea how long this has been in the pot. We use this barbecue sauce and put it on top of it. Close enough. I have no idea what that last sauce was, so I'm not even going to try to find it. This is the final result of that TikTok. I do not have all of the ingredients, but I think it still came out pretty good. And yeah. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to be making today is Korean hot dogs. I know this basically looks like, it's basically a corn dog, but you know, they call it Korean hot dogs. So I'm going to follow the recipe that I found on TikTok and we're going to see how to do it. Okay, so I am excited for this one. Hello, mother. Come and say hi to my video. Come and say hi to my video. Come and say hi to my video. Let's see if I can crack this with one hand. Yes! Oh, shoot. I am done. Hey, this is my batter here. Okay, sausage and then cheese on top. Just gonna get it right down to the end and then it's gonna cover it in the batter. And we got the breadcrumbs. This actually says Japanese something. Where is it? Where is it? Japanese style. So yeah. Is it the sign? Open this one. It's gonna sprinkle some in this plate. I think it's covered. I'm just gonna roll it. So it's kind of starting to fry now. I just wanted to be the first to say that these must be the most mega looking corn dogs ever, and I really hope they don't taste bad because I'm gonna be so upset. Time to taste test these things that I made today. The first one we're going to taste, the ramen. It's going to taste it. I'm pretty sure it tastes like normal noodles, you know, just a little spiced up. or whatever. Pray for me, right? Yo, I don't know if it's because I'm hungry or what. I mean, it's regular noodles, right? But I don't know if it's because I jazzed it up. This tastes supple. Okay, Sherelle, do things. I know we're gonna try. So next we're gonna try the corn dogs. So wish me luck, right? I was expecting the cheese to come out. It doesn't taste bad. Yeah, okay. That is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like videos like this, again, please subscribe down below. Please hit that bell button so you never miss when I post a new video, and who knows, I might make another one like this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay awesome.